Hello students, welcome to the channel. Hope you all are fine. So today I have made this video for showing you the reduced syllabus of class 9 and class 11. As I am making videos for class 9 and 11, so I am showing you the reduced syllabus, as some of the students, they have asked me what is the new syllabus, as some of the chapters and some of the unit from the business studies and also from social science, these are omitted. So let's see the new syllabus. As I have shown you the marks distribution, where in your history book for class 9, I am discussing it first. So in your history book you have 20 marks, then geography 20 marks, politics 20 marks and economics 20 marks as well. So it is 80 marks all total, and rest 20 you have project. The next thing I am going to talk about the lessons which are needed and the lesson which is not needed from history book. So at first, history, the French Revolution, this is there only in the book, it is needed for the exam. Then you have socialism in Europe and Russian Revolution, it is also needed. So these two are compulsory. And the third one is the Nazism and the rise of Hitler. So these three are there in the history book this time for this year. And there was one more, forest society, but this is not needed this year. So these three will be from history. And I will give both the PDF of class 9 and 11 link in the description box, so you can download it from there. Then we will talk about geography, where you can see first unit, India size and location, it's there. Second one, physical features of India. Third one, drainage. Fourth, climate. And in the drainage there is a note, you can see this one, that only map items as given in the map list from the chapter to be evaluated in examination. So from the chapter only map works will be coming. Then you have fourth, climate. Then fifth, natural vegetation. And there was a sixth lesson which was population, and that is not needed now. So this is the new syllabus, 5 lessons from geography. Then we are moving forward to democratic politics. Here we had earlier 5 lessons, but now you will be getting 4 lessons. First one is what is democracy, why democracy. Second one is constitutional design. Third one is electoral politics. Fourth one is working of institution. So these 4 are needed for this year. Then we are moving forward to economics. Economics you had 4 lessons, but now 3 are needed. So that is the first one, story of village Palampur. Second one, people as resource. Third one, poverty as a challenge. Done. Then you have project work, and project work will be given from disaster management. So that will be given from your school. So you don't have to worry. One chapter from each of the book is omitted. And geography you have again drainage chapter is there, chapter 3, but only map works will be coming. So this is all about class 9 syllabus. I'll give you the syllabus link in the description box. You can download it from there. And class 9 students, you can skip the video from here, because I'm going to discuss about class 11 business studies. Thank you. So now this is for class 11 business studies, and as you can see, this is the marks distribution. Chapters name are same, but few chapters from those units are taken away. So I'm going to discuss it. And you have 20 marks from project, and rest of the 80 from all the other chapters. So let's move forward. From unit 1, that is evolution and fundamentals of business, everything is needed as earlier. I'm going to give the PDF in the description box. Class 11 also can download from the description box. So first unit is same, no change. From unit 2, the last one was choice of form of business, which is omitted from here. You don't need it. So in the new syllabus you will get it only. So there was a last chapter which was choice of form of business organization, which is not needed now. And from unit 3, Again the last chapter, that is multinational company, is not needed now. From unit 4, again the last one, that is postal service after insurance. So this is the last one, the insurance, but after insurance there was a postal service chapter which is not needed now. From unit 5, again the same, last one, last chapter, that is business process outsourcing, BPO, is taken away, not needed now. From 6th one, again the last chapter, that is business ethics, is reduced, not needed. Then from unit 7 and unit 8, everything is needed. From unit 9, the last one, that is types of retail trade, small scale fixed shops and the relation of retailers. So this is not needed from unit 9. So from 7, 8 there was no change. From unit 9, again the last chapter. So whatever I said, in every unit there is the last chapter is removed. So 7 and 8 no change. Unit 1 no change. Unit 9, again the last chapter is not needed. And moving forward to unit 10. From unit 10, GST. Yeah, one thing, yes, from unit 9 GST is also needed, not from unit 10. From unit 9 GST chapter is also reduced. From unit 10 you do not need export trade. So there is only here only one international trade is needed. Export, import, documents related to export, import, these chapters were also present earlier, but now it's not needed. Then you have project work, which will be given from your school or college. So this is all about the syllabus of class 9 and 11. Hope it is clear to you. You can download the syllabus and you will understand it properly after seeing the detailed syllabus. So this video was for that only. Thank you very much.